In the next few minutes, you'll see how VideoXQ-AI can drastically increase your marketing results by creating professional explainer animation videos for you with no experience needed. Because of VideoXQ-AI's revolutionary AI technology and gigantic animation scene library, anyone can make animated explainer videos as good as professional video agencies just by entering some keywords and clicking a few buttons. It works in 4 easy steps. First, enter a description. Log into the cloud-based app, click on AI and enter a brief description to let VideoXQ-AI write a high-retention video script for any type of video. Create different lengths of scripts and edit anything about it if needed. Then choose your animation scenes. Choose from our library of DFY animation scenes to add and match to the AI video script. From collections of scenes or individual assets and characters, there are hundreds of options to make unique videos from in many offline or online business niches and topics. Or you can pick from a library of already DFY video templates with animations, voiceovers, and more to clone and customize. If you're in a rush, customize and add AI voiceovers. Next, customize the video, including adding a realistic AI voiceover. The AI creates voiceovers that sound like professional voiceover artists with realistic voices from your AI-generated script. Just paste in your script, choose a voiceover artist. It generates preview if you want and insert into the video in a click. Then drag and drop each animation scene into place using the drag and drop timeline editor. Customize your video link and add layers to the video. Add stock clips from a giant footage library. Add background animation scenes, animated emojis, and anything else you like to make the video awesome. Finally, render in HD. Render the video and save it in the cloud. Use the videos to boost leads and sales or sell to clients and pocket all the profit with explainer animation videos like these. You can skyrocket your leads and sales hands-free, regardless of industry. Did you know 94% of customers prefer to watch animated videos to understand products and 84% of customers make a purchase after watching? According to HubSpot, isometric animated videos help boost conversions by using colorful, simplifying animations to get the point across. Plus, isometric explainer videos are scientifically proven to temperature, attention. 90% of information transmitted to the brain is visual, and visuals are processed 60,000 times faster in the brain than text or other types of videos, according to 3M Corporation. According to psychologists, animated videos boost emotional connection and thus action more than any other selling medium. It's hypothesized that people connect with the colorful ISO animations because they transport us back to childhood when we were more receptive to incoming information. Of course, up until now, creating a high-end animated explainer videos has been super hard, and I'm consuming creating isometric animations requires a high learning curve. Outsourcing costs for high-end explainer videos have skyrocketed. Most video makers don't have enough features or AI technology. But now you can type in some keywords and let our AI app make explainer videos with award-winning animations for any need. With a combination of AI and high-quality point-click animated scene technology, anyone can finally create explainer animation videos as good as the pros do. Now, in fact, you can run a video marketing agency that competes with the best animation explainer companies in the world thanks to our new self-improving AI technology, all with no technical experience needed. VideoXQ-AI is loaded with features never seen before, including AI Advanced Video Script Copywriting. Use video script-specific AI to create video scripts for a variety of different videos in seconds. Create long-form video sales letters or shorter videos for more views on social media. Edit anything and save in the app. Huge animation scene library. Get hundreds of pro-quality animated scenes done for you and ready to drag and drop right into your video. Choose from a huge and growing library of high-end ISO animated image scenes and save hundreds on expensive animation studios, experts, and tools. Drag and drop timeline editor with layering. Customize your video with our easy drag and drop multi-timeline editor. Make elements or entire videos longer or shorter. Add or remove elements. Add layers easily by moving elements up and down. Studio quality DFY video templates. Choose from a library of ready-made, professionally designed video templates in the hottest niches loaded with eyeball-grabbing ISO animation scenes that you can customize, use, or sell in a click. These come with already DFY voiceovers, animations, and transitions to clone and sell AI realistic voiceovers. VideoXQ-AI uses the latest text-to-speech technology to instantly turn your script into a realistic voiceover for your video. Just paste in your script, choose a voiceover artist, and hit go. You won't believe how real these voices sound. Take a listen, record your own voiceover, and upload audio files. You can upload any previous voiceovers to use in your video that may have already been recorded. Or choose to record your own voiceover right inside the software to use to easy customization with tons of elements. Add text, change fonts, emojis, animated scenes, animated characters, effects, and more in just a few easy clicks. No experience or special skills are needed. Add eye-popping animations and transitions. Play around with a huge library of animations and transitions to make your videos pop and keep your viewers engaged. Add entrance or exit transitions to any elements in a click. Add video static or animated backgrounds. Add video image or colored backgrounds to your video in a click, or choose from a built-in library of animated backgrounds to bring your videos to the next level. Preview an animated background and insert it to take the video to the next animation level, just like the big companies do. Gigantic video asset creation library. Add amazing looking stock footage and stock images to your videos from a huge built-in library. Choose from thousands of great looking video clips just by entering a keyword preview and add into your video in a click. Animated characters. Choose from a variety of animated characters in many different poses and styles. Add them to the video for awesome animated character explaining videos. Fast and easy. There are tons of poses and styles for almost every type of scene. Import video clips and images. Import your own video clips or images to use in your video in seconds. Upload to the cloud library and use them over and over again. Fast HD rendering with cloud storage. Render your HD video in the cloud without slowing down your computer. Ready in minutes, not hours. Save your video to the cloud for free. No more taking up desktop space or messing with external hard drives. Make hundreds of videos at once for any need and platform. The combination of AI and animated scene library lets you pump out tons of videos for every major need and social network in seconds. Make videos including explainers, video sales, letters, vlogs, scroll stoppers, launch teasers, social media, and so much more in multiple dimensions, and many more features like 24/7 support and knowledge base. Beginner-friendly popular video dimensions available in app training. Frequent updates included thousands of stock clips and images to choose from. Okay, I know you're anxious to get VideoXQ-AI with all of its incredible features, but we just want to up the ante. That's why we're going to make sure that you get the commercial license with your investment at no additional charge today. As a special VIP bonus, this allows you to sell the videos you make for any price you choose to multiple businesses and run a video marketing agency if you want. Companies are paying top dollar for simple animation explainer videos these days. Like VideoXQ-AI makes, there's more demand than what can be filled right now. Best of all, you don't need to be on video to make any of this work. VideoXQ-AI creates 100% faceless videos, which means you don't have to invest in fancy camera equipment, turn your home into a studio, and put your face on camera. But to support the bandwidth for this cloud technology and provide you with world-class support, we have to raise the price every few hours. We simply can't afford to sell this one-of-a-kind app for the cost of just a couple of coffees and donuts. However, if you buy now, you'll lock in access for a super low fee today. The fair warning: this incredible price you see below will disappear soon, as the price will be increasing soon. And if you don't agree that this is the biggest opportunity this year and VideoXQ-AI is super easy to get results after trying, then you pay nothing. It's that simple. If you try out VideoXQ-AI and can't make amazing videos or run your own video marketing agency business, just let us know and you'll get a full refund. Now, if you don't take advantage of this elite AI video explainer engine, a competitor certainly will. Your business will be constantly playing catch up or just get put out of business by competitors leveraging explainer videos and AI video technology going forward. So don't let this unbelievable opportunity slip away. Hurry and grab it now before we switch to a monthly fee at triple the price you're getting it for today. Click the button below to secure your founder's discount license.